name's Demi. I'm an exercise physiologist from Campbelltown, and today we're going to go through a lunge. So it's a compound exercise that we use in everyday life. So I'll demonstrate first, and today we've got Adrian, our patient. We're going to demonstrate the correct technique, and then I'll walk you through common mistakes and the correct way to do it. So this is what a lunge looks like. So you're going to have hip width apart stance. We're lowering down, keeping everything nice and upright, and pushing back up. Okay, so one more time. Knee nice and straight at 90-degree angle, and pushing back up. Okay, so we're going to have Adrian demonstrate incorrectly. So I'll point out all the mistakes and how we're going to fix them. All yours, Adrian. Okay, so as you can see, his knee is going forward, so collapsing forward over his toes. It's going to put too much pressure on his knees, and eventually he's going to get some knee pain. Also, as you can tell, he's arching his lumbar spine, which means his pelvis is going into anterior pelvic tilt. Over the time, he will get some lower back pain. If you do another one, Adrian, and we're going to do is leaning forward. So as you can tell, his trunk is leaning forward. It's not staying nice and upright, which means the core muscles are not engaging to keep you nice and stable in upright posture. Okay, so what we're going to try and do now, we're going to do it correctly. Okay, so we're going to make sure that your knee is not collapsing too far forward. Your pelvis is nice and square. No hip drop, and standing nice and upright. That's looking a lot better. Going to do the other leg as well. So what muscles are working here? We're working on our glute muscles. So glute max, which is the biggest one, is the mover. So it's performing the action alongside the front thigh muscles and the hamstrings. And then you've got your stabilizing muscles, which are the glute medius and minimus. They keep hips in line and nice and square. And then you've got your core muscles, which are stabilizing as well to make sure there's no excess arch and we're not getting lower back pain. If you have any questions, please come and see us and ask one of the accredited exercise physiologists for a question or advice. Thank you.